By now, everybody has heard of the Honey app, right? But what if I told you the Honey app and apps like it aren't so sweet after all? In this next video, I'm going to show you exactly why that is. Went a little bit deeper, I asked Perplexity. I says, hey, if this app is doing this, if the Honey app is switching out affiliates commission, who else might be doing this? And you will never believe some of the apps that might be smelling kind of fishy. So it goes here and it says, well, Capital One Shopping. Can't say for sure, but it's saying the extension functions similar to Honey, potentially using affiliate link replacement techniques. Potentially. I don't know for sure, but we're going to figure it out. Rakuten, while popular for cashback, it operates on similar affiliate marketing model as Honey. Now that's not necessarily bad. But are they replacing your affiliate link? Now, as affiliate marketers, as partner marketing, as what we do for a living, this right here is taking money out of our pockets. It's stealing from us. What about this one? Lolly. This app mentioned as an alternative to Honey might be using similar affiliate marketing practices. I like the way they said might be, and I'm going to say might be too. But now we start understanding as affiliate marketers, as partner marketing, as what we do to be influencers with our people and say to them, hey, we really like this. This might be able to put some cash in your pockets. Now we're finding out they might be doing something that the Honey app is doing. And if that's the case, we've got to seriously rethink our relationships with some of these marketing companies, some of these companies, right? So look at this. It's telling us that Wildfire, browser extension, Launchpad, while these are designed to be compliant with affiliate network policies, they still operate within the cashback and affiliate marketing space. Okay, that's not terrible. Replacing, but it's important to note that these apps often work by, here it is, replacing existing affiliate cookies with their own at checkout. That's it, game over, right? Now we want to find partners to market with that are going to pay us, that are not going to switch things up. This Honey app situation has blown the doors off of how it is affecting us as affiliate marketers, as partner marketing, how it's affecting us as influencer marketers. It is affecting us because guess what? Now we're finding out, didn't know it, because when we look at all the things up top of the browser, we're thinking, yeah, okay, great. I just introduced it to my people. I just introduced it to my list, and this is a really good thing. They're going to get some discount, and maybe we're finding out, wait a minute, they're keeping all of the money for themselves. Bastards. I tell you, that's incredible. So let's look a little bit deeper and find out, has this been going on for a while? Is it true that this is happening in the way that we now are seeing that it's happening? And what is the actual amount that have been taken out of our pockets? We're trying to feed our kids. We're trying to eat here. And we come to find out that this is happening, and it took one brave soul. But as I said before, this has been happening all the time. This has been happening for a while. So now we have to ask ourselves a bigger question. How much money? What kind of potential damages are involved here? And I think about something a little bit deeper. Whoever sold that app, they could get a chargeback. $4 billion apparently it sold for. Oh my gosh, I wonder if they can go to the original person and say, we had no knowledge of this. You sold us something that was doing something wrong to the people we serve. We want our money back. Oh my gosh, imagine that. Trying to unwind that. We're going to dig a little bit deeper. Going deep in Google browser, you'll find out that this has been going on a while. Look at this. Here's a thread from August 1, 2022. I use an iPad with native Safari. All of a sudden, I have this extension up on my address bar. It's some kind of coupon BS, and I consider it to be malware because it was added without my consent. And what about this one from 4 years ago? Since installing the Honey browser add-on, I have purchased thousands of pounds worth of electronics, clothes, furniture, takeaway food, and groceries online, but I have saved nothing. And he uses a pretty nasty expletive here and saying it's useless. And then there's more, not the recent stuff, but stuff from a long time ago talking about how Reddit is no. From Reddit, honey is useless. It gathers your data. Let's find out when that one is. 3 years ago, honey is useless. It gathers and sells your data. I've had honey installed for years now. I virtually only shop online, and I have never once had it enter a code that worked. That's important. Let's find more. 2020, 4 years ago. Supposedly, it finds the cheapest prices and applies those coupons automatically. I certainly think it searches more places for coupon prices than I can, but it has access to all browsing histories and is owned by PayPal now. I find it creepy. So I have a question. What if I installed it on the browser, checking out a purchase, how much browsing history and other info will glean from my PC? Now, as you notice, there's everything is all over the place since the article has come out, and the YouTube channel has talked about how it's been an absolute scam. But I'm looking for stuff that goes way back, like this one. Amazon suspiciously says browser extension Honey is a security risk now that PayPal owns it. And it might not just because PayPal owned it. It might have been a security risk before. But now that it is owned by a big player like PayPal, bigger questions are arising. But the point here is, if this has been a problem for a long time, why didn't anyone know about it before? Why are we now just hearing about it? I can tell you from my own experience, when it first came out, it just didn't feel right. It was something about that app that just didn't sit well with me. I didn't know what it was. I looked at it and it just had something weird was going on with it. And I just had a feeling that this is not going to be a good deal. And I never used it. Now it's exploding all over the internet because one person said it's garbage and everybody's dumping on, as we normally do. Stay tuned for more stuff. If you like the stuff that I do here, I'm always constantly finding ways to help you monetize your life. I'm literally always trying to find these kind of things. But this is a way to try to monetize our lives by not getting our lives demonetized or trying to not have money come out of our pockets. This is one of the key things that I wanted to share with you. I had to come on. This is breaking news. I had to get this to you as soon as possible. I'm going to be following this like crazy. I just wanted to get on here and tell you that this could affect us as marketers, as affiliate marketers. This could affect us down the line because either companies are going to come correct or there's going to be a whole bunch of lawsuits. I guarantee it.